How to apply for a Costco membership. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already logged into your Costco account. You will land to this kind of interface. Now over here you will find different sections as shops, category and so on. Head towards the section of membership, click on it. With that you will find two options, Costco Executive Member and Costco Gold Star Member. From these two memberships, you can choose any of the membership of your choice. You can scroll down and check details of these memberships. Heading towards Costco Executive Member, it offers 2% annual reward, Costco services discounts, shop online and in warehouses, includes 2 membership cards, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Clicking on See Benefit Details, you can check the benefit details of this card. And then heading towards Costco Gold Star Member, it does not include 2% annual reward likewise Costco services discounts. You will find some differences. Click on See Benefit Details and get more information about Costco Gold Star Member. A Costco Gold Star membership is $60 a year. Likewise, an executive membership is an additional $60 upgrade fee a year. Each membership includes one free household card, may be subject to sales tax. Costco accepts all Visa cards as well as cash, checks, debit, ATM cards, EBT and Costco shop cards. New members must be 18 years of age or older. Once you confirm which membership you wanna try, you have to click on this option of Select Executive or Select Gold Star. For instance, I have selected Executive 1. Now you have to fill this, provide all the details, first name, last name, date of birth, likewise address, zip code, city, email address, phone number. After you fill this, at the very bottom you will find the option of Save and Continue. Click on it. In the next page, you have to go through the payment details. Once your payment has been processed, you will receive an email with your new membership number. So this is how you can easily apply for a Costco membership. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.